We're up at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse in Maudsley, and today we're just looking at Chilligrow, and we're growing what some people regard as being a compact variety called Pretty in Purple. Lives up to its name, very pretty, and the pods start off purple but then ultimately ripen, as so many things do, to a nice red colour, and you can see in there. So we've got 3 Pretty in Purple plants in the Chilligrow, and they've done really well. I think it's time we started harvesting the red ones. Chilligrow from Greenhouse Sensation.